Hi guys, so welcome back to our series of how to quickly grow your coaching consulting business fast without wasting time, without all the funnels and stuff like that. So as you might have noticed, I've shared with you already how to get attention, how to capture leads. There's five things that you got to do. All right, let's first go back to these 5 things. Get attention, capture leads, make consistent offers, get people on the call, and then of course serve excellently, serve with excellence. Now today I want us to focus in and kind of get a laser focus on how to make consistent offers. Why is this important? This is one of the Achilles heels for many consultants, speakers, trainers, because they don't make enough offers. They don't get out there and make as many offers as they should. Why don't they? Sometimes it's an inferiority complex. Sometimes they're not confident in their product, whatever it is, but you got to get over it. You got to get over it and say, you know what, I'm going to make more offers because I have a great product and that product actually makes a big difference. And most importantly, you got into the business to make money, not to just make an impact. So make consistent offers. You need to be making an offer every week. So what is a secret formula to making offers? Here you go. And again, keep it simple, stupid. And I did this intentionally because I wanted to make it so easy for you so that you understand that people complicate it to justify buying their stuff or justify, getting you to, to invest in things that you actually don't need. But it is a simple formula. Keep it simple, stupid. And this is an amazing formula that I got from Frank Khan, and he uses this all the time. He's got a little bit more charisma and he kind of, plays with it, but this is the basic formula. Number 1, you always start off your offer with, you call them out, okay? And or mention pain or niche and or their desire. Okay, so you could say, if you're a coach who wants this, if you're a leader who wants this, or if you're a leader who has this pain, or are you suffering with bad skin, or are you suffering with indigestion, whatever it is, call them out with their pain so that you can grab their attention. Okay, then number 2, you say, and you want this, and you want that, and you want whatever it is. Okay, so let us say I could start up, are you a coach, speaker, consultant, trainer, and you want more customers, or you want more leads, or whatever it is, and or better health, whatever your niche is, and or whatever it is that they want. How do you know what they want? You've done your blue ocean market research. Okay, you've gone and found out which people do I want to serve, what do they need, and you've gone deep and found that out using the 10 the 10 laser focused market research questions, which will give you exactly what your niche is looking. Then you say, here is what I have for you today. Then you mention your product using the target market statement, okay, whatever product it is. Okay, let us say you're selling what can I say, maybe a journal, or a planner, or whatever it is. You say, this is what I have for you today. I have for you an iPad. Okay, I have for you an iPad that has got on it all the 6 stages of how to start and build your confidence that you're ever going to need for you to build your business to the next level. Or I have for you a discounted product on how you're going to lose weight. Or I have for you a discounted product on how to build your personal brand. Or I have a discounted product for you on how to do how to start and grow your business. Whatever it is, here is what I have for you today. And then you go to, here is what it will do for you. Now, this is the part that is important. You must mention the benefits of your product rather than the features of your product, okay? The benefits, what is in it for them? What do they get? It is not about saying, oh, it is a 6-week program that you can use everywhere, wherever you go, and, and it is easy to use on the phone, and, and it has got whatever, all these, whatever you guys, want to put on it. No, it's about the benefits, okay? It is a 6-week program that will help you to not only just nail your niche, but it will help you to know how to message them, where to find them, most importantly, to attract the people who are good for business. For example, all right, I am telling you what the features are, okay? Whatever your product is, you go and look for the benefits, sorry, not features, the benefits of when you use my product, this is what you're going to get. If you're selling a bottle, okay? The features of this bottle are, it is it has 40, it takes 40 ounces of water, it is gray and it's got black, and it is hard, and it is leak proof. Okay, future benefits, you are able to hydrate as much as you can. Most importantly, it is easy to ensure that the water that you're drinking is filtered properly, and it is easy to drink it. Therefore, you don't have any excuse not to drink your water, which ensures that you are hydrated 24/7. You see what I mean? Two different things: benefits and features. Now, the fourth part here is after you've told them what you have for them today, you've told them the benefits of your product. Then the fifth part is, and here is what I need you to do next. Now, this is crucial because people are so, it's amazing if you don't give people direct instructions, if you don't give them a call to action. This is what we call a call to action. They won't take the action. So you must tell them, hey, this is what I need you to do next. Okay, I need you right now to go and register for the discount, or I need you right now to go and register for the product, or to buy the product, or right now go to the sales page and put in your credit card and buy whatever it is. You got to give them a call to action. And then, of course, as usual, number 6 is repeat, 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 repeat. Do this every week. You got to put out something so people know that you are having something on offer. Okay, so let us just recap. Okay, the secret formula to making great offers is keep it simple. Don't complicate it. Okay, and if you're consistent and you're consistently giving people great value, and they see you as a person who has, a good grip on the market, and you're out there to help them, then this becomes easy. Call them out or mention their pain, the pain of your niche and or their desire. Number 2, and tell them, and tell them what they want. Or, having done your market research, you know what they want. So you call them out and say, do you want more customers, more leads, better health, whatever it is. Then you tell them, this is what I got for you today. And here is what it will do for you, the benefits. And then, of course, this is what I want you to do right now. Go down there and sign up. Now, the reason that I put this out today is because I do find that there is a lot of consultants, speakers, coaches out there who have amazing products, but they're not making offers consistently. And because they're not making offers consistently, they find themselves in difficulties financially. And because of that, the business becomes a little harder. So how do we get rid of that inconsistency in how much money you're making, how many people are coming into your system? By consistently making great offers. Like I've said to you often, depending on where you are. This guy here was one of my biggest influencer. And he said something interesting. He said, it's your time, stop wasting it. The greatest opportunity right now in the knowledge transfer industry ever. It's your business. And like he says, when you get the combination right, the 5 steps, in this industry, you'll make a lot of money, you'll have a great impact, and most importantly, you'll have some fun. So for today, I want to do 2 things. Number 1, I want you, if you have not watched the masterclass, I do a live masterclass every Thursday, and every Tuesday and Thursday, I go live, okay? And I teach you the 4 secrets to building your business, to finding clients, to knowing how to position yourself, and to bring everything that, if you have any confusion in your head, where do I start? How do I do it? What do I need to do first? I teach that in that particular masterclass. So I want you to go and register for that. And it is at www.intelligent-performance.com/free training. Okay. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please comment, please like, share. Somebody else's life might be made better because you decided to share this. So, of course, join the 100K world-class consulting and training Audacity mentorship course now by giving me a comment down and saying yes, me, or comment whatever it is, comments, and then I will get you into that course and we can get you building your 10K to 100K business immediately with a mentorship that is not just about helping you to start the business, but making sure that we can scale with you, we can grow with you, so that you can live the life that you want, you can do what you want to do. Most importantly, you make an impact while you're earning. Okay, so there you go. That was our session for today. I hope that it blesses you and makes you, gives you the ability to get out there and make offers so that you can enjoy what you do. And until next time, remember that you have the audacity to live life on your terms. Until then,